You're almost as tall as I am.
Nah,
Yeah?
nah. I'm like 5'9"-ish. As like a midfielder, you know, like you don't really get all the recognition. So, you know, I just.
For me, I think he should be the most improved player of the year.
I don't think you can really like improve over. Like I think it's like over 2 seasons.
I train every day. I've lived in Portage forever. I got onto the Laois team, and then I got onto Midlands, and that's even more training. So I play for 4 clubs, you know, and there's training every day.
So I won Manager's Player of the Year and Parents Player of the Year. So I was allowed to go on trial for the MGL, which is basically like the girls' league. I didn't make it, but like it was a good experience and all that.
The first option, if I don't become a footballer, is an engineer. And the second option is to be a vlogger or a YouTuber. I'm also good at swimming, kickboxing. I'm really good at chess. Trust me. Check, let's go. I don't really know what to say. A lot of my friends do football as well. I play football at Brigham and they all play for Lusk. Like all of my friends play it and I don't really think it's like singling it out or like boys are better or anything. I feel like it's just the same.
I'm very fast, so I always wanted to take after Mbappe, Ronaldo, Neymar.
My name is Justin Stefan Ronaldo, and I think it's just like in my blood to be a footballer because I'm named Ronaldo.
Well, how are we? How are we all doing? We'll all sit down, relax. Let's just get to know each other. How are we all doing today?
Good.
Good, yeah? Anybody nervous here? Yeah. Same as myself. It's always kind of daunting meeting new faces. My name is Jordan Conroy. I'm a professional rugby player. I'm a double Olympian, but I grew up playing soccer. And soccer was actually my first sport that I loved. I played it up until I was 16. It was a very special sport to me because, you know, it would help me kind of integrate into a new country.
So this is a day in the life, morning routine edition. So doing a few stretches here. Gotta keep the body mobilized. Probably wash my face. You know, keep the skin fresh. Then I'll brush my teeth. Obviously, I don't want stinky breath. And after that, do some exercise. Don't talk about that fail. Obviously, probably comb my hair too. Then put some cream in my hair, you know, keep my hair shiny.
We're here to make a soccer team, right? And the goal is, at the end of this, to train together and become a team to enter a blitz. That's why we're here now. So, is anyone up for that challenge? Okay. I'm really looking forward to having fun with them, to be able to enjoy it and relax, and then progressing as a team and as individuals to express themselves on the pitch and be able to express themselves, you know, off the field. So it's very important for character development, and that's what I really look forward to seeing.
Jordan, oh, I think he's a cool guy, you know, and he's famous.
Space on the outside and Conroy!
And away he goes!
Oh, wow!
Jordan Conroy!
This is just an incredible piece of footwork.
Oh, that's the Jordan we know and love.
Has all the skills, Conroy, we know that.
He's just like an influencer, you know.
What are you doing? My lip gloss. My lip gloss? No, it's mine.
During my matches, I don't really wear any makeup. I just do my skincare, like moisturizer, to keep my face moisturized. And I'll always just have my eyelashes curled and then my eyebrows just in place like this. Boys think that girls who are like sporty, like do football and also are girly, they feel like, oh, well then if she's still kind of a girl, then she must not be good at football. She must be like prioritizing all the girl stuff before that. But in reality, we're just sporty, but then when we're not doing football, we also like to do what every girl would like to do.